Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn new chapter of maths, that is chapter number 7, coins and notes. Okay, let's start. Generally, we have many types of currencies we are using in our daily life. See, first is coins, second is notes. These are two types of currencies that we are using in our daily life. Next is coins. Now, how many coins do you have seen? Regularly you are seeing first is 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coins and 10 rupee coins. Okay. See, these are the coins that you have seen. Now, next is notes. Now, which type of notes you have seen? Now, see, let's see. 1 rupee note, then 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note. Next is 50 rupee note. Then 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note and 2000 rupee note. Clear? These are the notes that we are using in our daily life. Regularly we are using for purchasing anything or exchanging. So these are the notes we are using for purchasing anything from markets or any other purposes we are using. Clear? Now, exchanging big coins and notes for smaller ones means any type of a big coin or a big note we are exchanging for smaller ones. Generally, we are exchanging, suppose 10 rupee note change we want, 20 rupee note change we want. These words we are using for changing or exchanging the big note or a coin for a smaller coins or a note. Clear? So let's see if this. The change for 1 rupee coin is, these all I am taking from your textbook example. Okay, so 1 rupee coin, for 1 rupee coin change, which coins we will take for this? Yes, see here, 50 paise coins. We will take 2 coins of 50 paise for 1 rupee change. Clear? So we have 1 rupee. 50 paise plus 50 paise, 1 rupee. And 1 rupee have 100 paise. 50 paise plus 50 paise will get 1 rupee. So this is 50 plus 50, 100 paise. Next is the change for 2 rupee coin is, for 2 rupee coin, how we will get the change? See here, can you tell me? Yes, now see, 50 paise will get 5 coins or 1 rupee coins, or we can take 1 rupee 1 coin or 50 paise 2 coins. When we will take, then it will become a change for 2 rupee coin. So for 2 rupee, either we can take 4 50 paise coins or 2 1 rupee coins or 1 rupee coin and 2 50 paise coins. Clear? Now move to the next topic. Next is the change for 5 rupee coin is, for 5 rupee, how will take the change? Can you tell me? Now see here, 5 coins for 1 rupee. 1 rupee we can take 5. So we have 5 rupees. So 1 rupee, 5 coins. Or 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee coin. Okay. 2 rupees, 2 coins and 1 rupee only 1 coin. So we'll get 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Or we can take 50 paise 10 coins. Okay, 50 paise 10 coins, then we'll get 5 rupees. Okay, clear? Now move to the next. Next is the change for 50 rupee note. Now up till now we have seen only coins. Now we'll see 50 rupee note change. Okay, now how we'll get this? Now let's see. We'll take 20 rupees 2 notes and 1 10 rupee note. Clear? So 20 plus 20 40 plus 10 50 rupees. Clear? Now we have 50 rupees. This is for 50 rupees change. Or we can take another 5 10 rupee notes we can take. So 10 rupee notes, if we'll take 5, then our change is 50 rupees. Or now see, 10 10 10 5 will get 10 rupee notes, and 10 plus 10, all 10 will add, then we'll get 50 rupees. So clear? 20 rupees 2 note and 10 rupee 1 note also it will make 50 rupees, and 10 rupee 5 notes also it will make 50 rupees change. Clear on this? Okay, now next, exchanging big coins and notes for smaller ones. This is bigger notes. Now change for 500 rupee note is, now how we will get? Let's see. Can you tell me this? Very easy it is. Now see 100 rupees. How many notes? 100 rupees. 4 notes we can take, and 150 rupees note, and 20 rupees also, plus 20 notes means 10 plus 10 rupees 2 notes, and 2 rupees 5 coins will take. Now if you will add all this, it will make a 500 change. See, 100 rupees 4 notes, 50 rupee 1 note, 20 rupees 1 note, and 10 rupee 2 notes, and 2 coins will take 5. So it will make a 500 change. Clear? Just add all this. If we will change 4, so how you will write? See this 400 rupee note, 150 rupee, 120 rupee, 2 10 rupee, and 5 2 rupee coins. Clear? See, if we will take this is, we will add all these things and we'll get 5 rupee change. Next is, smaller notes and coins can also be exchanged for a single bigger note or coin. See, it means if we have smaller notes and coins, then we can exchange that, and we will add, and we can exchange for a bigger note or a coin, note or a coin, anything we can exchange. Let's see how to do that. Let's see here. We have, see, 10 rupees 3 notes and 5 rupees 4 coins we have. So, or one more thing, see, one more example, 20 rupees 2 note and 10 rupee 1 note. See, for how many, for which bigger number we can exchange these notes? See, we can exchange this for 50 rupee big note. Clear? See, again, see, 20 rupee 2 notes and 10 rupee we can exchange for 50. Now next, if we have 50 rupees 2 note and 50 rupee 1 note, 20 rupee 2 note, and 10 rupee 1 note. If we have these small notes, then which big note we can exchange this? Can you tell? Yes, we can exchange this for 100 rupees. 50 plus 50, and these all we will add, then we'll get 100. Now, if we have 100 rupees 5 notes. See, this is very easy. 100 rupees we have 5 notes, and we have on another side 200 rupees 2 note and 100 rupees 1 note. These two smaller notes are there. So which bigger note will exchange these two? Tell me. Yes, it's very easy. Yes, this is the answer is 500 rupees. 500 is the bigger note, and these all are smaller note we can exchange for 500. If we have 100 rupees, 200 rupees, we can exchange these two for 500 bigger note. Clear? We can exchange, or you can do practically this at home by exchanging these notes with your parents, or so that you can understand very easily by doing practically, by exchanging a smaller with bigger note or bigger with smaller. Clear? Now exercise will continue. Yes, after see, I have completed your all the examples. Now from page number 39, 40, 41 half part. Now we will continue with our exercise part. See, write the correct number in the square. First question, see here 1 rupee. See, 1 rupees 50 note means 50 rupees note 1 is given here in this. So the question is, for 50 rupee note, 5 rupee notes if you will take, then how many notes of 5 rupees you will take to complete this 50 rupee note? So if you will take 5 rupee 2 notes, it will become 5 2s are 10 rupees. So this way, if you will take 5 rupee 3 notes, so 5 3s are 15 rupees. If you will take 5 rupees 4 note, then it will become 5 4s are 20 rupees. Same way, if you will take 5 rupees 10 notes, if you will take, then it will become 5 10s are 50 rupee note. So clear, for 50 rupee note, if you will take 5 rupee note, so for 5 rupee notes, if you have to take 10 notes, so it will become 10 5s are 50 rupees. Now next, if for 50 rupee note, same note, if you will take 10 rupees, so how many notes you will take for completing this 50 rupee note? See, 10 rupees 2 note, it will make 20 rupees. So same way, 10 rupee 3 note, 30. So I will take 10 rupee 5 notes, then only it will become 50. Means 10 rupee 5 notes means 10 5s are 50. So it will become 50. Third question, in that only, 2 rupee coin and 10 rupee coins, both the coins if you will take, then how you will take? See, 2 rupee coins if you will take, if I will take 2 rupee 2 coins, then 2 2s are 4. So here I will take 2 rupee 5 coins, so 2 5s are 10 rupee, and 10 rupee coins if I will take 4. So 10 4s are 40 rupees and 2 5s are 10 rupees. So 40 rupees plus 10 rupees, it will make 50 rupee note. Clear? Same way you have to do the second question, but here note is given 100 rupee note, one note of 100 rupee. So question is, if I will take the 5 rupee note, see here 5 rupee note I have taken for 50 rupees, so it was 10 rupee. 5 rupee note I have taken for 50 rupees, so it was 10. Same 5 rupee note if I will take for making 100, so see 5 10s are 50. So 5 20s are, means if I will take 5 rupee 20 notes, 5 20 notes if I will take, then it will make rupees 100. Clear? Same way, if I will take 10 rupee note also and I will take 20 rupee note, so which number of notes I have to take? See, suppose for example I am taking 10 rupee 2 notes, so 10 2s are 20 rupees and 20 rupees 4 notes if I will take, so 24s are, means 20 20 20 20, 24s are 80, 80 plus 20, my answer is 100 rupee. So 20 rupees 4 note and 10 rupees 2 note will make 100 rupee note. Clear? Now third is 20 rupee notes. If I will take only 20 rupees, so for 20 20 20 20 means 20 notes, I have to take 5 notes of 20. So 20 5s are 100. I have to take 20 rupee 5 notes. Then it will become 100 rupee note. Now see 50 rupee. If I will take 50 rupee 1 note and 50 rupee 2 note, then it will become 50 plus 50 100 rupees. So 50 rupee how many notes? 2 notes only. Clear? Now next page, page number 42. Third question. Here big amount is given. Here 2000 single note is given, means 2001 note is given. This is the bigger denomination number. This is the bigger note. Clear? So 10 rupee note, if I will take 10 rupee note for making 2000 rupees. So see, 10 rupee, if I will take 10 notes, 10 rupee 10 note, it will make 100. 10 rupee 10 note, 10 tens are, it will become 100. So 10 rupee 10 note will make 100. Same way I have to take 10 rupee. If I will take 100 note, it will make 1000 rupee. So I have to take 10 rupee 200 note, then it will become 2000. So 10 rupee, how many notes I have to take? I have to take 200 notes of 10 rupees, then only it will become 2000. See, if I will multiply 200 with 10, means 2 ones are 2, and I will add this 30, then it will become 2000. Same way, if I will take 20 rupee notes, see, 20 rupee notes I have to take to make this 2000. So 25 is 100. So I have to take 25 is 100, means I have to make 2000. So say I will take 20 rupee note, I will take 100 only, because 100 note will make 20. 2, if I will multiply, I will get the answer. 2 ones are 2, and this 3 zeros you will add, then you will get 2000 rupee note. Now, third, 50 rupee notes. If I will take 50 rupee notes, so 50 rupee 2 note will make 100. Same way I have to make 2000. So 50 means 50 rupee. I have to take 40 notes to make 2000 rupees. If I will multiply these both the numbers, 40 into 50 means 4 5s are 20, and I'll add this 20. So it will become 2000. Now next is 100 rupee note. See, 100 rupees note, 100 rupees 10 notes will make 1000. So 100 rupee 20 notes will make 2000 rupees. 2 ones are 2, and add this 30, it will become 2000. And 500, it's very easy. 502 notes, it will make 1000, and 504 note, it will make 2000. And you can multiply also. 4 5s are 20, and add this 20. Clear? Okay. After completing this part, means exercise question number 1, write the correct number in the square. First, second and third, till here you have to write in your textbook only with a pencil.